AI just exposed a property investment that most people have never even heard of. And the craziest part, you don't need huge capital. You don't need a bank loan. You could start with a small amount. For years, we've been told the same formula: save money, take on debt, buy property. Wait, decades, but what if that entire system is already outdated? So I tried something different. I opened Claude Code and explored one question. What's the smartest way to invest in real estate today without needing massive capital? What came back wasn't a location, it was a completely different system. Before we get into the result, you need to understand one key idea, because this is where everything changes. Real estate is no longer just bought. It can now be divided, digitized, and split into thousands of pieces. Imagine a high-value property. Instead of one owner, it's divided into thousands of shares. And you can own a small fraction of it. This is called real estate tokenization. And now here's where it gets interesting. When this space was analyzed, it didn't just surface random listings, it highlighted platforms, entry points, and potential yield ranges. And one example stood out: a premium commercial property, low entry barrier, potential annual yield in the range of 8 to 10%. This changes the game, because traditionally access to these kinds of assets was limited to wealthy investors. But now that barrier is starting to break. However, this is not easy money. There are real risks. Regulations are still evolving in many countries. Liquidity can be limited, and not every platform is reliable. So this is not about jumping in blindly, it's about understanding the shift early, because this is bigger than one investment. It's a change in how wealth is accessed. You don't have to wait until you're wealthy to participate anymore. You can start small and grow with the system. That's what I call wealth before wealth. So here's my approach. I'm not going all in. I'm starting small, testing, learning, watching how this space evolves. Because the real advantage is not just investing, it's understanding where money is moving before everyone else does. And the people who understand this early won't need to chase wealth later.